What's up, everybody? Hope you're having a good night. Mine's been tremendous because I made it that way. I got outside and I rearranged my entire garden. And it may look a little different right now. It may be kind of jarring, but Bo's walking through it. He knows something is different. He's a smart dog. I love him. He knows something is different. And he actually understands now that it's not as condensed as it was. There's actually room to walk around in that bad boy. I think it's the best it's ever looked. Everything's spread out now. Doesn't just look like one big mass. But man, I love how green everything is. That's called love. You got to garden with love. You can't garden with hate. You can only garden with love in your heart. If you try gardening with hate, you won't be out here very long. You're not going to like what you see. Everything's going to look ugly. But just like when you live in hate, everything is ugly to you, including yourself. All right. Well, let's talk about love, my passion here. This is everything. This is the newest banana pup. We haven't named it yet, but it's got a nice shady spot back here, as shady as it gets. That came from the mama, who really loves the shade. I put her behind everything. You can't see her from the front, but that's okay. It's more about, functionality and survival. She doesn't like sun at all. Does not react well to sun at all. Like, it just immediately starts shriveling up and wilting. Here is my red Barbados cherry. And this is a red Jamaican cherry. Odd angle, I know, but I showed it off plenty. There's the lemon. Pink guava. That's a zinnia. I think Bo wants some attention. What you been drinking? Hey, buddy. Boopy boopy. I pulled so much gunk out of his eyes the other day. He hates when I do it, but you could tell he was relieved. He came and licked me. He knew. He was like, yeah, I feel a lot better now, but it hurt getting out. It always does, though. Get that gunk out of your dog's eye. This stuff's not good. I don't know what it is. I think we have it too. Like eye boogers. But theirs is like thick and black. It's really gross. Anyways, check out my habaneros. Not gonna show the fruiting, and I don't want to dig in there too much and knock something off. But you can see plenty of flowers. There's a fruit in there and one fruit in here. I showed it last night. There it is. You can see I don't have to mess up anything, but it's almost done. Really don't want to knock it off. My mouth is watering looking at it. I put the Lucky Bamboo in much smaller pots. Like, they were in massive 20-gallon pots. They just were not growing. So since they like to be small, I accommodated them. I've had them for a year. They're just so tiny. I don't understand. But I'm not going to get rid of them because they're growing new growths out the top, but it's so small. I thought they were going to be big. That's a Chichny. I don't know how to say it. It's purple cornflower. Got Virginia peanuts. Oh, and I confirmed earlier. I reached down in there, and you can see where I reached in. I barely didn't cover that part, but I reached all in there, and there's peanuts in there. And they're huge. I wish I used a bigger bag. This is an experience to see if they actually grow. Indian shot has so many leaves, but it hasn't grown a new head in like a month. My amaryllis hasn't sprouted or hasn't bloomed this year. I read it's because I didn't give it a dormant period, or it's not getting enough sun, or I buried the bulb too low. None of that's true. It's just a late bloomer this year. Pun intended, I admit. The snake plants, of course. I love my plants, man. It makes me so happy. Yellow Jamaican cherry. My fig tree's got a nice spot in the back now. They get some sun and shade from this tree and all the other trees. I think these new spots are going to work out. Genevieve Sinclair, my Granny Smith apple tree. I've wanted that Granny Smith tree my whole life. It's straightened up. I love it to death. These are my Lemon Boy tomatoes. Elderberry, Elena elderberry. These are peppers, just, I think, what do you call those? Just basic peppers. The long cayenne. I love cayenne peppers, though. They're going to turn red. Wait till you get red before you pick them. Here's the fun fact about all peppers. They eventually all turn red. Even jalapenos. And they're better that way. They're sweeter. It's like, wait for them to get striations, which are lines, and wait for them to turn red. Trust me, you'll be glad you did. They become sweet and hot. All peppers end up red. But that's the banana, the mama back here. She likes hiding. That's pretty much it. Her baby looks like he's going down for the night. He perks up in the daytime. I think that's it. I cut way down on. I got rid of some stuff. You see these empty pots. I'll be growing some. I was gonna grow some seeds today. I decided I'll wait till morning. We can fertilize it as well. Either today or tomorrow. We'll plant some stuff, fertilize everything. But that's a good picture. Bo, turn around. Good boy. All right. I love you. See you. God bless. Take it easy and grow something. You may love it.